In this video we will be looking for a VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Here I have a data table. From the data table we will find out salary, department, and city name using the VLOOKUP function. So, let's see. First click on the cell, type equal to, then type the VLOOKUP. Click on the Finding Name Value cell. Select Table. Then type column index number of the value. Here salary column number is 4. Then type range VLOOKUP 0 and press enter key. Here we have got the salary value. If we change the name, value, and press enter key, the salary value will be automatically changed. You can see the value has been changed. Next, same way we will find out the department VLOOKUP value from the data table. Equal to VLOOKUP. Click on LOOKUP value cell. Select Table. Department, column index number 3. And type range VLOOKUP 0. Then press enter key. We have got the department value. If we change the name value and press enter key, the salary value will be automatically changed. You can see the value has been changed. Next, we will find out VLOOKUP value doing drop-down list using data validation. First go to Data tab. Then click on Data Validation in the Data Tools group. Click on Allow drop-down list and select List Source. Select the data range of first column. Then press OK. From drop-down list select a name. Same way we will find out city VLOOKUP value, department VLOOKUP value, and salary VLOOKUP value. Here we have got all the VLOOKUP values. Now, from drop-down list if we select any name, then we will see all values will be automatically changed. Next, we will see how to find out city name all these persons using VLOOKUP function. First click on a cell, type equal to, then VLOOKUP. Click on the Finding Name Value cell, select Table. Set cursor after first cell name of table, and press F4 key. Then set cursor after last cell name of table, and press F4 key. City column, index number 2, and range lookup 0. Then press Enter key. After that autofill all columns. Now, we have got all the VLOOKUP values. That's all in this video. See you in the next video.